Hello fellow dreamers, I'm Anna and I travel full-time in my van Firefly with my dog Sterling and my cat Inara. Sometimes it's just us three and sometimes we travel with my boyfriend Luca. I strive to turn my dreams into an intentional reality, seek joy in beautiful natural spaces, adventure hard, and have as much fun as possible. Thanks for tuning in and remember to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to join the journey. Hey everybody, welcome back to Firefly and I. So if you watched last week, you know that I've been kind of put down for a little bit because of health issues. I am getting ready to hit the road again, but before I do, I wanted to introduce you to the newest addition to the Firefly and I fleet. We're going to look at a Yamaha TW200 for me. I don't know how to ride a motorcycle yet, then Luca is testing it for me.
The tires are too knobby to do a donut.
I think we should do it.
Are you doing it?
Yeah. The perfect size, the perfect amount of power. I mean, you saying that it just sticks to the ground and isn't too scary is good for me. And it's a good price. They're super fair here and really nice people, so I feel good buying something from them. Yeah, let's do it.
So it's Friday. Let's go buy a motorcycle.
Very jealous that he gets to drive it home because I don't know how to drive it at all. It's so cute and wonderful and amazing and I love it.
I'm like 6'2", and like it's really fun size. Like you can sit all the way in the back. Great for the city. I can't wait to play around with this thing.
We made it home with the bike. Now all that's left to do is celebrate. My first lesson.
First things first, let's turn the key. Let's make sure she's in neutral. And how do you know she's in neutral?
The light's on.
Right. So go ahead and pull in the clutch. And now the kill switch. Go ahead and flip it to on. There you go. And now you can just turn the starter. There you go. Now push the gas.
It feels so cool.
Alright, so now stand her up so you're standing on your own power. Out that. So now because you're in neutral, you can let the clutch go. Give a kick of the throttle. Yeah. And then this is the front brake. And this one back here is the back brake. So that's what you're going to use more of, especially dirt biking. This is the gears right here. That's where you change the gears. So maybe I should show you what it's like. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. You're going to pull in the clutch. And I'm going to my foot, I'm going to click down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a perfect displacement. So call it clutched all the way in and no gas. I'm going to go from clutch all the way in and no gas to clutch all the way out and gas. And I'm going to do it in that perfect equilibrium. So, and that's what's going to make me go. Clutch is in, gear is in, I push down for first gear, slowly let out, slowly give gas. Now I feel the gears engaged. So that's how we're going to start. That's where you learn to ride a motorcycle.
I'm nervous. Okay.
So remember, you got to give as much gas as you take out clutch, almost. You'll hear it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you feel it? Yeah. Did you feel that gear engage?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
And then I just lost the equilibrium.
You just lost that balance.
Okay.
Exactly.
I went forward 1 whole inch. First motorcycle ride.
Yeah, you see how you pull the clutch in? Yeah. You're halfway to being a biker. Now we just gotta teach you how to change gears. Yeah.
Whew, so exciting. Can't wait till I can like get after it.
That's what we're doing, baby.
So there's a couple things that I had to do to the van in order to be able to have the motorcycle out on the road. The first one, of course, was to get a hitch. And once I got the hitch, then I was able to get this nifty trailer here. It's just enough for the TW and for 2 of our mountain bikes. We are actually getting the van all ready to have 2 of us in there. So we will be live next Sunday at 8 a.m. Pacific time, talking about the next adventures that we're having, going from solo van life to couple van life. Kind of a big transition to make, but we'll be in the van together for about 6 weeks. So we have nice and lots of room in the back now with the bike not in there. So exciting Firefly updates. So lots of lessons to go, obviously, but today we're just gonna go for a ride and play with this new toy. Of course, have to also get all of the motorcycle gear. So I have my padded jacket, padded leggings, I have reinforced boots, I have reinforced gloves, my helmet, getting a new helmet soon also, so I am very safe.
You're like a little goat trying to talk to her mom.